Well, you know those box opening videos that you see on train YouTube channels, model train? Well, this isn't anything to do with model trains. Here's a box that I ordered in November. Now, when I ordered it, this is November 2021. When I ordered it in November 2021, the delivery date, because it's pre-order, model trains are often pre-order, was the 25th of February 2022. It's now the 13th of February, so it's come a little bit early. And if you can see the name on there, you know what it is, as I've just guessed what it is. It's something that I've ordered for my folding bicycle. Let's pause it. You don't want to see me opening a box. Well, I am going to show you a bit more of it because I've just opened the top, and the printing is such that you've got the order list and the packing list, potentials for it to be printed on. Welcome to your new Swytch kit, and thank you, Swytch, your electric bike. And then as I go down, the first thing I see is a wheel, which hopefully will fit onto my Brompton. Looks like it's got an electric motor in it. Right, that's a wheel. That's going to add a few kilograms. There's people talking about changing their Bromptons from 3-speed to 5-speed or something in order to get rid of some weight. I'm adding weight. And there's the 4 boxes in there. They all look to be the same size with all the different bits and pieces that are needed for that. And I'm going to go and delve into those now. You've got accessories, extras, accessories, and that might be the battery in there. Let's see. 2 of the cardboard boxes we saw were just packing to stabilize everything, and so your complete kit consists of the wheel with its motor in it, 1 box here, and 1 box there. And this box has got some instructions, and it seems like this one is the batteries. I got the Pro version, so the battery doesn't weigh any more or take up any more space than the normal version, but it does have a larger capacity battery in it. So there are larger capacity cells which are embedded within that. Okay, and then the box marked accessories. Again, it's got an instruction manual and 3 more sub packets in there of other bits. In fact, in that last box there were 4 components. This one is clearly marked charger, so I'm assuming that's the charger for it. That's fine. This is the main mounting bracket that's got to fit onto the bike. My bike has got M bars, so it's going to be interesting to see how it fits with an M bar bicycle. I've not seen much about that. In fact, not enough to put me off buying it. I'll have to buy different handlebars. Let's have a look and see. And then these are marked as charger plug, so that's probably the mains lead that put into charger, and then pedal assist sensor. So if I put the charger and charger plug aside, then there's not too much to it. The part that attaches to the battery pack and control panel, and the pedal assist sensor. Yep, okay, very compact and efficient. Right, well, I sort out perhaps for me the most complicated thing, swapping the Brompton tyre and inner tube over onto this electric wheel. I should have ordered myself an inner tube and tyre spare one so that I don't have to keep swapping it over when I change from electric to manual. Okay, my bad. But anyway, the battery is on charge. That's the first thing to do. Put the battery on charge. Lights are coming on in the right place. So that's reassuring. We'll leave that battery charging now. No idea how long that will take. There's a pretty good video on the Swytch website. But when you get the Brompton kit, you get pedal sensor with this bit that attaches to a crank arm, these spider parts which are spacers to space it off the bottom bracket axle, and these two bits A and B. Now my pedal crank is a non-indented one, so what you do is you separate these two halves apart like that, put that one aside, and then you separate these two apart like that, and then you can mate up that part which clamps the pedal on with this part, and that should give you, oh, the other thing I've done is there's a little insert that's gone into there. I've already inserted that, and now I can clamp this around my crank arm and then hopefully attach that side, and it should all be fitted to the bike without needing to use these spider type things or this bit that attaches to your pedal crank. Well, there is the bike with all but for the motorized front wheel fitted. As I may have said, I'm going to get a new tyre and inner tube for that. The main thing that I wanted to show from this video is that the battery mounting bracket works or fits with M-type bars. So these are M-type bars on my Brompton, and that's it with the battery mounting bracket fitted. Now, and there's the new peg that goes into there. It's just about the right distance away. Maybe I could put it on a few more threads from there. But if I fold it up, you can see that this is the M bars, and there's the mounting bracket for the battery and everything, and the pedal sensor. A little bit interesting. There it is. I can't turn it while it's folded, but the sensor is just about touching the disc as it is now. I don't know what issues we'll get from that. I'll have to try it. That's with the two spacers. I'll have to consider removing one of those self-adhesive foam pads and using something else to space it out. I might send a message to Swytch themselves and ask them about that, because maybe if it's touching the wear or friction will be a problem. Anyway, there we go. Certainly it wouldn't fit with the backing bracket on it, but it's mounted onto the bottom part of the bracket framing there, just the right position. That is clamped up but not super tight on there. Maybe a little piece of inner tube inside there. I don't like to have these screws clamped up without any more distance to go. Prefer it to have a ½ millimetre or so of gap there, and that be the right tension. Okay, so it's gone on. That's it. Test ride when I get the new tyre. And while I've been doing that, the battery has actually charged up. It's green light.